Hi there, happy 100th day of school. Okay, so I thought it'd be fun if we read 100 days of school on the 100th day of school. So, before we begin, I would like to read the back, has a little description of what we're about to read. How many ways are there to count to 100? What do you think? Just a little bit of ways or a whole bunch? There's a whole bunch. The funny rhymes in this book will show you some different ways to count to 100 with a clown's nose and a piggy's toes and other groups of things. It all adds up to a fun way to learn about 100. So, go ahead and make a prediction on what different things you might see in this book. Use the cover and the title. Okay, 100 Days of School by Trudy Harris. Illustrations by Beth Johnson. 100 Days of School. If you go to school for 95 days and then go 5 more days, what do you get? Smarter and smarter. And how cool, 100 days of school. If 10 tired children all take off their shoes, what do you get? Lots of bare feet and, I suppose, 100 toes. If you find a tiny bug with 50 legs on one side and 50 on the other, what do you get? 100 legs. And what do you think we're going to see on the next page? Let's find out. Yes, indeed, a centipede. If 20 children each drop 5 papers on the floor, what do you get? 100 papers. And what do you think? I would guess an awful mess. If you eat 10 salty peanuts every minute for 10 minutes, what do you get? 100 peanuts. And big mistake, a tummy ache. If 99 dots are on a clown's suit, what do you get? 100 polka dots. Those on his clothes plus 1 on his nose. If 25 bees fly out of a hive, then 25 more and 25 more and 25 more, what do you get? What do you get? 100 bees. And no surprise, some exercise. You see him running from all those bees? If you put 10 candles on a birthday cake and then add 90 more, what do you get? What do you get? 100 candles. And with all those, a fire hose. Why would you need a fire hose? What do you think? Well, that's a lot of candles and they're all lit. So, might need to be careful with that, right? If every day you save 1 penny for 100 days, what do you get? What do you get? 100 pennies. Or, better still, $1 bill. So, 100 pennies equals what? A $1 bill. Really cool. Give me a thumbs up if you knew that. Awesome. If you pick 75 blackberries and your mom picks 25 more, what do you get? So you pick 75 blackberries and your mom picks 25 more, what do you get? 100 berries. And oh my, blackberry pie. If a train goes by with 99 cars and then 1 red caboose, what do you get? 100 cars. And what do you think you're going to get? My friend, the end. So I hope you like this little 100 Days of School book. I thought it would be fun if we went ahead and read it. Okay, so what I'd like to do now is take a few moments to think of different things you could count to you could use to count to 100. Give you some time to think about it. Okay, so I'm going to give you some examples because here in a little bit your activity for reading is to write 100 words. Now, this activity takes pretty much like all day, and it's not meant for you just to sit there and just think of as many words as you can. You start your list, and then you come back to it throughout the day. And maybe you come back to it later on, like way later on today. So I'm going to give you some ideas. Let's think of animals. 10 animals. We have alligator, horse, dog, cat, rabbit, cow, duck, chicken, rooster, sheep. Boom, 10, right? Now, that's 10 animals. I need 90 more words. Let's think of months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. That's 10 more words. So now I have 20 words. Let's think of a couple more. Let's think of places. Park, your home, school, H-E-B, Walmart, Target, Disney World, the beach. Let's see. Maybe your friend's house, and I'm trying to think of one more place. Sometimes this is what I'm talking about. It takes a while sometimes for your brain to get going thinking of different places. 10 words for 10 different places. Let's see. Movie theater. Okay? So I named 10 animals. I named 10 places and 10 months. So that's 10, 20, 30. I need 70 more words. So I was just kind of trying to get you ready. So on the next slide, you're going to have your reading discussion. And then after that, you're going to begin your 100 days of school reading activity where you list 100 words. And I have it broken up for you. I have 10 different categories for you to write about. Once you're all done, all those words will equal up to 100. So I hope you liked today's little read aloud.